In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Squarespace website, a process that's surprisingly straightforward and can be accomplished in about 5 minutes. Whether you're passing the baton to a new owner or simply changing the administrative hands, I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth transition. First and foremost, make your way over to Squarespace's main page. Upon arriving, you'll see several options, but what you're looking for is the Login button. Click on this to proceed. Many of you might have various accounts for different purposes, but since Squarespace offers a seamless integration with Google, I recommend using the Continue with Google option for an easier login process. This will prompt a window where you'll need to choose your Google account, the one associated with your Squarespace site. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to your specific website within Squarespace. This might seem a bit tricky given all the options available, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward. You'll see your website listed, go ahead and select it. With your website open, you're going to look for the Settings option. It's typically located in the menu on the left-hand side or at the bottom depending on your dashboard layout. Clicking on Settings will lead you to a wide array of options, but the one you're interested in is Permissions and Ownership. This is where the magic happens in terms of transferring your site. In the Permissions and Ownership section, you'll find the Transfer Ownership button. It's a big decision, but if you're ready, clicking this will initiate the process. At this stage, Squarespace requires a re-authentication of your login for security reasons, so you'll go through the Continue with Google steps once more, just to confirm it's indeed you making this change. After re-authenticating, Squarespace will ask you to choose the new owner from a list of current contributors to the site. It's an important note that you can only transfer ownership to someone already listed as a contributor. So make sure the person you're transferring to is already set up in your site's settings. Once you've selected the new owner, you'll click on Choose to confirm your selection. Now Squarespace will guide you through next steps, which include a series of confirmations to ensure you understand the implications of transferring ownership. Remember, once you transfer the site, you won't have the same level of access as before, unless the new owner reinstates your permissions. After completing all the confirmations, don't forget the final and perhaps most important step, clicking Yave. This finalizes the transfer, effectively handing over the reins of your website to the new owner. And that's all there is to it. In just about 5 minutes, you've successfully transferred ownership of your Squarespace website. Remember to communicate with the new owner during this process to ensure they're ready to take over and to help avoid any confusion or mishaps during the transition. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Transferring your Squarespace website might seem daunting at first, but with these simple steps, it's a straightforward process. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or consult Squarespace's extensive help resources. Happy website transferring!